In this tutorial, I'll show you how to auto-rotate a mesh as per camera's position. The handle object can be not just camera, but any objects in the scene. Let's see what happens when I manually move the camera. This is an interesting effect. It's only rotating in the y-axis for now, and I'll show how we can change that shortly. The base mesh is a UV sphere, and the spikes were created with a subdivided cube. Then I rotated the top face proportionally like this. Let's take a look at the geometry nodes. I'll zoom in shortly. This is the node to change the axis rotation setting. These two are the math nodes. Please experiment with the settings to learn what each node does. I'll show you how we can use other objects as the handler. We can create an interesting effect by animating the handle any way we like. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.